Hi and welcome to Carol's Organic Kitchen, and here I'm talking to you from a new workshop space that we've been renovating over the last few weeks. It's going to be a much more efficient space where I can manage my products here, display them, do a few more video updates, and also I'm going to be able to do my packaging from here as well. So you've had this new packing station built. I had a small workshop downstairs which I've outgrown and got a bit radical, gutted my living room, and we created a huge studio come workshop. So this is my packing bench, and I've got all my packing tapes here. I've got all my boxes right here. Some of you would have received my little thank you for supporting our small business card. And talking about the packaging, what we've done is developed a new way of actually reducing the packaging so it's more eco-friendly. But at the moment I'm using up the packaging that I have, so you'll see that I'm packaging out the boxes a little bit more, but we'll be reducing it, and it's a recyclable tube, which is great because it minimises any damages.
Okay, whenever you're ready. Yep.
What's this still? Bad actually, use this one.
Go on then. Oh my gosh.
Oh, let's see the second one. Perfect.
Wow.
Another thing through demand is our baby Dermazine. Now the baby Dermazine is a lighter formula, but just as effective as the adult formula for babies. And that is designed really for babies from 3 months upwards. So check that out. We have the baby Dermazine available. A lot of you have been asking and we've been listening. So we've launched that for you as well. And don't forget our lovely hydrating Lemongrass body butter. It's a beautifully fresh scent, and it's something that I actually use as a deodorant because I've cut out all conventional deodorants from a few years ago when I found an app which I scanned in my bathroom called Think Dirty. But there's also another one now which is more informational called Clean Beauty. Download that app, scan the items that you're using as toiletries, and if you can, replace them out for more natural, safer products. And as you know, we specialise in people with problematic skin, focusing on eczema. So have a look at what we've got. We've got a range of things available for you at different stages of your eczema. Thanks for tuning in.
What?
I've just received this message from a customer. It's less than 2 weeks. We're filming for YouTube, yes. Because we're a family-run business. There's myself, my son, and my daughter. Before she was even eating clean, she was getting results, but it's got better and better. I don't think they believed that I was the host
That it was our
of this
event.
that it was actually our event. I was just like, what's going on? My name is Carol Fraser, Carol's Organic Kitchen. I booked this. We're standing outside. The car's gone. Everything's on the ground.
I'm passionate about what I do and I share what I do, and she's a living testimony. I don't want to cry.